YouTube, Funksy Jumper here, and Sweetie Pie on the camera. Sawdust day at the Big Egg Farm. Finished our canning, and now you can see what we got to deal with. I have to do a little four-wheel to get out of here, so come along with us. It's a sawdust day. And then when we come back, I'll probably have to get the snowblower out. Well, I come back, I got to do the barn. Those horses need cleaned out in there. They're not housebroke. It's a winter wonderland. Actually, it's still snowing. Little flakes, real tiny flakes, kind of like flurries. So. Stop here and close the gate. Okay, YouTube. Yeah, brush off your jack. Here we are. This is the sawmill. We come out here and grab some sawdust. I did a video before, so most of you have seen this already. That's the barn. Amish guys parked their well, they parked their buggies out here and put their horses in there. But let's get down here and see what's doing. If I don't fall and bust me arse. They're backed in here, and you never know what you're going to find back here. Oh, got a good signal. Looks good.
Yeah, I don't know how you're going to get in, but yeah, it's lovely. It's cool up. They'll probably get in there, but it'll probably be frozen up.
I can run the ladder up there. Oh yeah, somebody's been in here dipping. That's it. Got a big old pile of sawdust. So we'll load up some bags and get back with you. Alright. There's the bags. I don't know how many we got. They just come out. Sweetie Pie's dragging them down the truck. We'll load them up. I don't know if you can see in here or not. That's the damage we done. Took a pretty big chunk out of that pile. So, but as you can see, it's snowing again. Well, snowing still, just a little bit heavier now. So, let me get back with you and help Sweetie Pie with these, and we'll get loaded up and get out of here. All right, loaded up. We're heading home. Good boy, that's Jack. There, Jack. All right, home. Got to unload. That's what we got.
And then it'll be time for tea.
Yep, and it's time for tea.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea. What are you doing, boy? You doing? Oh yeah, take a whiz. Go ahead.